Have you ever thought about this question? What will happen to Earth when the sun dies? Will this star that shines on us every day really exist forever? The answer is no. Scientists have long predicted that the sun is not eternal. It also has a lifespan. In about 4.5 billion years, the sun will exhaust its fuel and begin to reach the end of its life. At that time, it will enter a stage called red giant. It will expand, becoming enormous, swallowing Mercury and Venus, and may even turn Earth into a scorched wasteland. Life on Earth will face complete extinction. Yet during this period of the sun's twilight years, scientists have unexpectedly discovered certain neglected corners of the solar system may temporarily give rise to new life. Their focus has turned to Jupiter, more specifically, one of its icy moons, Europa. This moon has long been considered one of the most likely places in the solar system to harbor life. Why? Europa's surface appears as a smooth icy sphere, with an ice layer tens of kilometers thick. But beneath this ice lies an ocean of unknown depth, possibly deeper than Earth's oceans. You can imagine it as a completely frozen underground ocean world. So the question arises, what will happen to Europa when the sun becomes a red giant? A research team from Cornell University recently pointed out that as the sun releases more intense heat, its habitable zone will expand outward, potentially extending as far as Jupiter's orbit. This means that the once frozen Europa could receive enough heat for its ice layer to warm up and melt, potentially forming steam clouds above the subsurface ocean and even a thin atmosphere. This is not fantasy, but the actual logic of celestial evolution. The study also found that the side of Europa closest to Jupiter will warm more rapidly, as Jupiter itself reflects sunlight, while the side farther from Jupiter, especially the polar regions, will warm more slowly. This could cause the vapor to condense more slowly, forming a thin atmosphere that could persist for up to 200 million years. You might say 200 million years is too short. How could life emerge? Don't forget that the earliest microbial life on Earth also emerged under extremely harsh conditions. 200 million years may seem brief to us, but it might be sufficient for the evolution of simple life. This is what scientists refer to as the golden window of opportunity for life. And this is not mere speculation. The USNASA has already launched an exploration program for Europa. In October 2024, they will launch the Europa Clipper probe, which is expected to arrive at this mysterious moon in 2030. Its mission is to investigate whether there are indeed signs of life beneath Europa's icy surface. It's not just curiosity driving us to do this. Perhaps in the future, humanity will truly settle on such a planet. Scientists even believe that in distant galaxies there may be similar icy moons like Europa, harboring life forms we cannot imagine. So while the sun will eventually fade away, the story of life may not end there. It will simply shift to another stage. Europa, a mysterious world that is currently silent but may one day briefly shine in the future. Perhaps one day a human probe or some form of artificial intelligence will discover a trace of life there, to write the final footnote for the solar system script that is about to conclude on this cosmic stage. I am Science Sheep. See you next time. Translated with deepl.com, free version.